Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you how to use our payment gateway wallets. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk a bit about what Wallets is. Wallets is a versatile and secure payment gateway designed to make online transactions seamless and straightforward. It supports various payment methods, including credit cards and even cryptocurrencies. First, choose the payment method as crypto. Enter the amount in dollars. If paying with a card, ensure you transfer at least $30. You can write the product name. Then click on Pay Now. Enter all the required details here and click Pay Now again to continue the process. For TRC20, scan the QR code. To pay with a credit card, click Pay with Credit Card. Choose your currency and complete all the process. Once done, you'll receive a success message indicating the transaction is successful. I hope this video was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching.